Hello everyone, this is Ilias from EK Planes and welcome back for another update of my model airport. The airport I'm representing is Halifax Stanfield International in scale 1/400. This is the last update of 2024. So as you can see, it will be massive and we will begin from the early morning's departures and arrivals until the late night operations in my model airport. So guys, we will begin our model airport update from gate 5 of the main terminal of Halifax Stanfield. Gate 5 is a tribute to Kelt Aviation Group, the group that I belong in Instagram. We have a WestJet Boeing 787 on catering and loading the luggages operation heading to Dublin, Ireland. Right next, in the 6th gate, we have a WestJet Boeing 737-700. It came earlier from Edmonton and it is on refueling procedures heading back to Edmonton. At the gate 7 we have a Boeing 737 MAX 9 Islander. It came 2 hours before from Keflavik and it will go back to Keflavik in a couple of hours. No delays on this flight. United Airlines MAX 9 is at the gate 8. It came before 35 minutes from New York and as scheduled it will depart in 20 minutes. Right next to the Air Canada Airbus A321, it came from Orlando, Florida, and the next assignment of this particular aircraft is Toronto. Toronto is the destination also for the Flair Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8, as you can see in the gate 10. Meanwhile, in the runway 23 of Halifax Stanfield, we have the ITA Airways Airbus A330neo heading to Rome. On the taxiway, we have this massive Airbus A350-1000 of British Airways heading to Manchester. And the Air Canada Airbus 220/100 is ready to departure heading to Montreal. At the gate 11 we have the American Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8 heading back to Philadelphia and Porter Airlines on the pushback procedures at the gate 12 heading to Toronto. At the stands we have Nova Airlines, 2 Airbuses A320 waiting for the next assignment. As you can see, the Porter Dash 8 Q400 on pushback procedures heading to St. John and the Nova Airlines Dash Q400 on boarding procedures heading to Moncton. This Airbus of Nova Airlines Airbus A320neo just landed from New York. It's late afternoon, as you can see from the lights, and on the runway we have a cargo jet Boeing 757 just landed from Hamilton. Delta Airlines arrived from Boston. On the gate 5 we have Flair Airlines in the old livery just landed from Toronto. And we have a connection also to Frankfurt. We have this very unusual and beautiful in the same way Airbus A321 of Condor Airlines landed from Frankfurt. It's getting darker and darker here in Halifax Stanfield International, as you can see from the lights of the airport. This was my last update of 2024. I wish you the best for the next year. Happy New Year, happy 2025, and until the next time guys, bye.